Okay. Filming? What does a mom do when she wants things done right? She does it herself. My name's Rebecca. I'm turning this house into a home to give my daughter a brighter future. As a single mom, you get used to calling the shots. And you tend to be a little hands-on. That's why they call me DIY Mom. Okay, so where do I start? I bought a house. I got this house for a great deal because nobody else wanted to buy it. How many people visited the house and didn't want to buy this place?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people did not want to buy this house. And now I'm ripping it and flipping it to give my family a comfy place to call home. But like every DIY project, it starts with a good plan.
The large family great room is definitely where it's at nowadays. Very functional. You've got to get the flow going, and I think it's going to look great.
Good thing there's always a little sisterly advice.
My vote, it's got to go. A little dated, I'd say.
Definitely gonna rip out these walls.
We're obviously gonna have to rip out all these cabinets and make some space for powder room and fix up this floor because the floor is what is this called? Vinyl?
It's linoleum.
Yeah, probably classic 70s.
So I love this original hardwood staircase. Once you rip this carpet up, I mean, you've got an original staircase here, which is beautiful and very expensive.
Now comes the fun part, demolition. Everybody loves breaking things. Plus it's good for my blood pressure, or at least I thought so. Maybe not so much. It wasn't hard, but it definitely wasn't easy, I'll tell you that much.
Junk Bin has been absolutely amazing. It's been an amazing service, and I just can't stress how important it is to have that kind of reliability when it comes to hauling away all that construction debris.
So this is the existing main floor at the moment with the kitchen over here, which we ripped out already, and this is the dining room, and we've taken out all the paneling and the corner hutch has been removed. We're hoping that we can put the powder room here. This is the ideal of what I want to do. Moving the kitchen over here to the middle of the house, and also pushing the entry a little bit wider from the original here, and just opening that up so that just feels a little bit more spacious. According to the engineer, there might be some problems with where the beams are.
Good thing my mom always taught me to listen to the professionals.
475 pounds, so nobody gets crushed for using this lift. Anything on the job site that we could call a she. So they'd be like, oh, she's causing us all these problems. And I'd run downstairs and I'd be like, who's talking about me? And they're like, no, we just refer to everything on a job site as a she. I was like, oh, okay. That's it. Okay, sure, that's fine then.
I love working with my family and getting to spend so much quality time with my mom and dad during this whole renovation project has really been amazing. They always flipped houses when I was growing up, so I lived in so many beautiful homes. And now I feel like I'm carrying on that tradition. It's in our blood. After all, I am a fourth generation home renovator. As a single mom, doing this renovation hasn't been easy, but it's definitely been very rewarding. And knowing that I'm giving my daughter the space that she needs to grow up a happy and healthy kid, I mean, that's just the best feeling that a mom can have. As the saying goes, just because you're doing it yourself doesn't mean you're doing it alone. My sister is a custom home expert, so having her around the whole time really helped. Okay, look, there's like all these neat things, like even this little closet. See, I was thinking if there was a laundry chute there.
Right,
But-
although I kind of like this. I mean, that's a great little linen chest,
Yeah.
right? Now this attic totally reminds me of our childhood, doesn't it?
And actually, when I saw this, thinking before I got it, I have to tell a film crew to come and shoot something here because it's just like Stranger Things.
Oh gosh, what's
like
that?
Then, yeah, the green bathroom.
I don't know if you guys are ready to see this bathroom. It's a showstopper. The green is really polarizing. Like lots of people tell me they love it, you gotta keep it, and then everybody else is saying it's gotta go. So I don't know. It's
My vote, it's gotta go. This is a great size master bedroom. This is what people want.
Right now there's not a huge closet, but I think making that just even double doors and doing a more functioning closet, I think it'll give me more closet room without having to do too much. It's been a long haul, but our story is only beginning. Now that the demolition is done and the brainstorming is complete, it's time to set some plans in stone and make some solid decisions. And I'll tell you what, it's a good thing that I'm always right.
Okay, so let's figure it out. Let's just do
I
it.
don't have the gear here to do it, Rebecca.
What do you need?
I don't have my 6-foot level. I have a 2-foot level.
You need a 6-foot level.
Compressor, a miter saw, and a pinner. That's what I brought you.
So we can use the nail gun to put this onto that, and we can use the 2-foot level.
Now that we're starting to rebuild, it feels great. A little cold out there, but an awesome crew made it an awesome kickoff project.
What is it? It's like minus 29 out there today.
I'm happy to see that everything is finally starting to come together and that all the hard work is starting to pay off. A renovation like this, it's just not possible without having an awesome crew around you to help. And I'm just very grateful that I had great carpenters working with me, Bob, Reed, Chris, and having an awesome friend like Michael who's available to help me decide on a color or make a design choice. And Blair and Nadine and Martin, who are here every day helping me make the filming of this possible. Of course, my mom and dad, who put in so much of their own time and sweat and energy into making this renovation come together. I've certainly surrounded myself with some amazing people.
Can I get 24 donuts, please? What do guys who work for construction sites like the best?
Oh my God.
Like Boston cream or something? Just the construction special, please. Whatever the guy's like. I'm trying to keep everybody on my good side this morning. I've got I'm running a tight ship.
I think that's what guys like, right? Donuts? Everybody's been asking Bob questions when they have questions about things. So I'm gonna make a little Ask Rebecca sign and put it on his back. Let's hope that keeps everybody away from Bob so he can get what he needs to get done and they can come ask me the question because I'm the boss, all right? Not Bob, I'm the boss. Wait, it's on it. There. Now they know. Leave Bob alone.
Can't help you.
We're just getting started turning this house into a loving home. My mom and I take a road trip.
It was a little windy, but you know, we're doing okay. I think we look all right.
My sister gets in the tub.
See how you fit. Come on, let's get you in there.
All right. You know what? There's more room in this than I thought there was. You can have your glass of wine right here. You can have your book maybe over this side. I mean, yeah, it actually works okay. Move your legs, very good. No, it's great.
Lennon has a party that I may or may not have been ready for.
Happy birthday, dear Landon.
Just another day in the life of a DIY mom.
I'll put the handle in the roof for you if that's where you want it.
That's it. Rebecca, you're the goods.
All the major renovations are complete, but there's just so much finessing to do. Now comes the fun part, decorating. It's the part that I love, and I'm gonna show you all kinds of tips and tricks so that you can do it yourself. Over the next 9 episodes, every room in this house is getting a makeover, and I want you to come along for the ride.